Everybody's been talking about context engineering and everybody's trying to race to learn what exactly it is because it is the next big thing in AI. So I went ahead and created a notebook LM for everybody to, start learning at their own pace, to make mind maps, to ask questions. So right here we have the notebook context engineering, the 100,000 AI skill. This is what I termed it. I think it's like the next big skill for, creators, AI ghostwriters, heads of content to start learning and start implementing right away. So right now we got 10 sources loaded up into this notebook. I'm gonna keep putting more and more in there because this is a pretty new thing. So as more resources start coming out, new techniques, new commentary, I'll add it in here. So we have the 10 sources listed here for you to check out. We have the chat. Over here in the studio of the notebook, you can do a couple things. You can look at a brief of, what is context engineering? How does it differ from prompt engineering? We could take a look at that brief. There's a second brief in here that really breaks down the core concepts and definitions that you should know about it. One thing to pay attention to is that some of this might sound technical, but don't be scared. If you see something that's technical, kind of try to think about how this can apply generally to all sorts of different, interactions with LLMs. So for me, for AI ghostwriting or creating content with AI, context engineering is not going to be any different compared to somebody who's developing an application. The general ideas and themes are going to be the same, right? And then also we have my favorite part of it is the mind map. If you open it up here, you can see context engineering. We're going to break up into the definition and core concepts of it that you can click and expand each one. We have the components of context. We have why it matters. We have techniques and strategies. So you can explore each one of these. We have tools and frameworks, real world applications. If you're not familiar with how NotebookLM works, you can just click any of these here. Like, let's say we want to learn more about knowledge base or tool selection. You can click this here on the NotebookLM and it's going to open it into the chat and expand it. So you can explore all the different aspects of context engineering that are out there right now. You can start learning at your own pace. And this is a super valuable skill that you need to start learning right now because, here very soon, prompt engineering is not going to matter nearly as much as it did before. And we're already at that point, really. And it's all going to be about context engineering. So go check it out. You can find it here on AIDisruptor.ai in my publication on Substack. We have the Context Engineering Learning Hub. It is part of the paid member vault. It's one of the things you get for signing up and being part of our community. If you're not part of our community yet, don't wait any longer. We're going to be diving into context engineering, a lot more techniques, different ways to use it. So come join us, come learn together, build together, and check it out.